Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a website I thought I would never share on this channel when it comes to silver stacking. In fact, I'm going to show you a place that right now, as I record this video, unfortunately the deal may be gone by the time you watch it, but I'm going to show you a deal that right now is mind-blowing even to me. I couldn't believe when I noticed this. It looks 100% legit. So I'm going to share it with you and let's take a look. But before we do, if you are new here, do me a favor, don't forget to go down below and subscribe. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. All right, take a look at this. Okay, so before I show you the website, I want to show you what we're actually looking at. So these are the two items, the ones I'm about to show you are the two items that are being sold on this website, the exact ones. First, we have the APMEX Silver Eagle. This is basically their generic branded silver round with their eagle design on it, American Precious Metals Exchange. As you can see, they sell these 1-19 at $28.15 per coin, 20-99, $27.85 per coin. So it's spot 22.16, which you can see up at the top of their website here. That is spot plus $5.99. That is pretty high. And those numbers actually don't change when you look at their Buffaloes. The same price, $28.15, with a spot price of $22.16, puts it at $5.99 over spot. But I'm about to tell you that you can get these coins from APMEX cheaper than on their website. And this right here is what's going to blow your mind. Take a look at this. Walmart. Now, you're probably wondering, wait, it's Walmart. Maybe it's a fake seller. No, look at this. Before we even look at it, look right here. It says sold and shipped by APMEX Inc. So this is actually being sold and shipped by APMEX through Walmart's website. It's basically another way for them to get their bullion product out to customers that may not know about their website, just like eBay and Amazon and other places like that. They are selling these 1-ounce silver rounds, lots of 10, for $256.50. In fact, that's only $3.49 over spot for silver rounds. Now, you're probably thinking, yeah, but they're APMEX rounds, right? Take a look at this. APMEX also sells Buffaloes for that same price, right? Look here. They're selling 1-ounce silver Buffaloes in tubes of 20 for $503. Again, sold and shipped by APMEX Inc. In case you're wondering, that is $25.15 per coin or spot plus $2.99. Now you might be thinking, well, what about shipping? Well, if you don't know this, Walmart actually offers free shipping. They have their Walmart program kind of like Amazon does with Amazon Prime. But additionally, if you spend so much on their website, you get free shipping automatically. You can even have them shipped to store and pick up there. So you're literally getting these for $503 instead of what they sell them for on their website. You're getting them for $2.99 over spot. Now, I know that's still a pretty high premium, but that is better than anywhere I have seen online in the past year for silver rounds. Well, maybe not a year, but it's been a while since I've seen silver, especially 1-ounce Buffaloes, at just $2.99 over spot. So I'm going to put the links for these deals in the description below. They are not affiliate links. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get anything for this. They don't even know I'm making it. I just thought it was really cool. I wanted to share it with you. And again, take a look at this. These are actually sold and shipped by APMEX Inc. We'll click the link. So it's not, it's not a third-party random seller that might be scamming you. It's literally APMEX selling them to you through Walmart's website for a much better deal than what you can get them for on their own website. I don't know if you think that's crazy. I kind of do, but I wanted to share it with you. If you're going to take advantage of this, good luck. The links are in the description below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said earlier, do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.